everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. As promised, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my pozole recipe. I feel like this recipe comes across like it's very difficult, but I promise that I'm going to break it down for you guys step by step so you guys all learn it and are able to cook it at home, okay? You guys are going to need hominy, we're going to need chile guajillo, we're going to need garlic, onion, and very important, we're going to need the pork meat. Yesterday I went to the grocery store and I found this. It's called pork shoulder picnic for pozole. So that makes it very helpful because it's already all put together and it's ready to be used. We're going to go to our first step, which is making the pozole. I'm going to be adding our meat. This is a pot that's for 16 quarts. So what I did, I filled it halfway. I'm going to add our meat first. Make sure that you guys have clean hands because you guys are going to be touching the meat. So we're going to add the whole pack of meat. And we're going to put our onion. For the garlic comes with this layer of, what is it? It's like the skin of the garlic. And what I did to this one, I went ahead and I removed the first layer, so it's gonna end up looking like this. And what I did also, I went and I did little cuts on each garlic. This way it releases the flavor onto the meat, okay? And we're gonna add the whole head of garlic, and put it in here. We're gonna add some salt. I'm gonna start putting this already on the stove. There's gonna be a second step before we get this going, which is the hominy. The hominy we need to wash and rinse, or sorry, we're gonna have to rinse the hominy, and then we're gonna add it to the meat, and the meat and the hominy are gonna be cooking at the same time. I'm using the whole can. Okay, I like this brand. I've used it before and it's pretty good. So let's just give it a quick little rinse. Drain it. And we're going to walk this over to the stove. Okay, we're going to add it to the pork. Okay guys, so we have our meat cooking and I'm going to get the sauce started. For the sauce, we use 10 chile guajillos, but for this one, remember that when you guys are going to cut open the chile to remove the veins and everything like that, because if not, the sauce is going to be very spicy. So I'm going to add my chile guajillos, and I'm also adding 2 cloves of garlic and some salt. This pot is 2 quarts and I added 5 cups of water, so I'm going to take it over to the stove. It takes about 10 minutes for this to cook. You guys are wanting the chiles to be soft or tender, and they will also be expanding when they're ready. So that's the way that you guys are going to be able to see. Bring this to a boil, and then once this is ready and boiled and it's all done, we're going to turn it off, and then we're still waiting for our meat. And that's the way it's looking. Our chiles are ready. If you could come in here so they could see. Our chiles have to be soft. They have to be tender. See, they break apart. So that means that our chiles are cooked. We're going to make our sauce, and we're going to put it in the blender. We're gonna add this to our meat and the hominy. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, the pozole is done. So our meat cooked for an hour and a half and our chiles cooked for 10 minutes. And now we're gonna let this boil for 15 minutes. So our pozole is ready. Everything's looking so good. I'm gonna show you guys what I put as toppings for my pozole. Let's see. So for mine, I like putting some cabbage. And then I chop some fine onion, some radish, and some lime. I like lots of lime on mine. I'm gonna do another one. Smells very good. Remember guys to like my videos, to comment, to subscribe. If you guys have any questions, also feel free. I know that there's people that haven't asked me questions about other recipes, and I really enjoy reading them and getting back to you guys. If you guys have any questions about this, make sure that you guys ask me, and don't be afraid to try it. Also, I like putting oregano. Gives it a nice taste. I have tostadas here. If you guys don't have tostadas, you guys could use tortilla chips. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. Provecho!